All right, I got a fun one here. 2017 Ford Escape, 128,000 miles. Single cylinder misfire on cylinder number 4 when it's cold. When it's warm, it's fine. It's used, well, it's hard to see. It's used some coolant. I know it was up to max. Went in with the bore scope. Checked around the head gasket area. These engines, I think Fortec Meki Loco has a good video on it, but it's a flaw with the deck on the block. It's not the head gasket or the cylinder head. The flaw is in the block itself. I think it affects through, I want to say it's 2020 or 21. I can't remember. But anyway, this thing is starting to use some coolant, and I'll insert the video here. All right, what you see on the right of the screen is the top of the cylinder where the cylinder head meets. Obviously, we see coolant getting into the cylinder. What I didn't mention is I had the cooling system under about, I think it was like 10 or 12 pounds of pressure, just so I could see, the coolant entering the cylinder. But anyway, this is a pretty definitive. We can see the coolant collecting along the top and running down. All right, so don't know what we'll do with this one. I think this one will probably be coming to a used car lot near you, if I had to guess.